Budget and schedule. Okay. Right. As I record this video, it is the 20th of March, 2018. Okay, so I've got to wait a couple of days before it'll actually kick in. Fine. And then I can select an end date. So let's see. Shall we select something like a month? So from March to April. And actually, what if we just, let's have a play around with this. So 22nd till the 29th. And then we can choose start and end times. Right, custom budget. Now, I think you can start as low as £250. So let's see if that allows me to do it. Right, it does, yeah. So estimated ads served for £250 will be 25,000 ads. Not bad. Can I go any lower, I wonder? I like the auto-suggest here is telling you to start from £1,000. Let's see if I can go down to £100. Right, minimum Ad Studio has a minimum budget of £250. Okay, if you're in the US, I believe the minimum budget is $250. Here in the UK, you've got to have a few more of those coins in your pocket. £250 is the minimum for you to advertise on Spotify. So I'm going to reach 25,000 listeners with this current setup. Let's just see if I can niche down. What if I said that I wanted to reach... let's just cross out United States. Let's go for New York, say, for instance. New York, United States. Okay, interesting. Yeah, 22,000, so a few less people. What if I wanted to go to internet marketing and social media area of the United States, San Diego? Again, yeah, I'm going to reach less people because I'm going right down to a very niche area. And again, let's go for... United States. Reason I'm targeting United States in this campaign is because about 40% of our business at Music Radio Creative comes from the US. So it's our number one country that we serve. So that's why I'm targeting US. I wonder if you can target countries. Let's try Romania. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Your budget isn't well suited. All right. Okay. Yeah. Going to kind of saturate the market there. Let's just try somewhere really random. Well, how about Spain? Yeah, you can target Spain. Latvia. Yeah, you can target Latvia. This is super cool. So, yeah, the world seems to be open to you here. Australia. Yeah, Australia. That's cool. So, yeah, let's go back to United States. I wonder what happens if you add in another place. Let's try United Kingdom as well. Yeah, United States and one more. So I can do that if I want to, but I'm just going to focus on the US. Right, okay, that's all set. £250, just going to need to add in a payment method. Haven't done that yet, so let's do that. Obviously, I'll need to blur out some of these details as I fill them in. So we got the card number. All right, that's all done. So that looks good. Let's save that payment information. Okie dokie. It's looking good now. Yep, that's all good. And we've got the payment method in place as well. So we're looking good to go. That is how you create your first ad inside Spotify Ad Studio. Let's click Next, and then we'll find out what happens next. Thanks for watching this video in the Spotify Ad Studio tutorial series. Stick around for the next video, and if you'd like your own audio ad created, we'd love to help you with that. Head over to musicradiocreative.com.